Hello participants, welcome to you all. My name is Shaharyar Alam, Director of this academy. I welcome you all in this interactive and engaging session on Python by one of our associate, Mr. Rizwan Alam, who has a long line of experience in Python. Dear participants, as you know that Python is an emerging technology, emerging language which is used in every field of life. So you will enjoy a lot from Mr. Rizwan. You will learn a lot from him. He has a very good and in-depth knowledge of the Python. So at last but not the least, I will say that in future we are planning to organize more number of sessions on the emerging technologies such as NLP, that is natural language processing, artificial intelligence and deep learning, as well as other emerging technologies. So I welcome you all in this interactive and engaging sessions. Thank you all and have a nice day.